Thank you so much, Stuti, and good evening to all of you. And in our session today, Mr. Naveen Arora,
Good evening.
he's with us, and he is graduate mechanical engineering. So you will, thinking what is related to law into this. So to be very honest with you, he has vast experience and he is registered with IBPI, CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBIT, IRDA, Insurance Regulation, Regulatory Development Authority, and many more. On the he is on the panel of Mumbai Customs, PNB, National Insurance, New India Assurance. So basically, he is the insolvency expert. He is the expert in valuation of property. So he is also part of our team. So I welcome Mr. Naveen Arora in this session. When we, he knows each and everything what is happening with all of us. So he was curious to join us. And a few words from your side, Mr. Naveen Arora, please.
See, as far as valuation field is concerned, as Mr. Harish Anand has told all of you, see, valuation everywhere is somehow, somewhere connected to law. It's a part and parcel of law. In the field of, ROC, like Companies Act, there is always a provision of valuations. Similarly, in the field of income tax, there is a provision of valuation. In the field of customs, there is a field of valuation. In the subject of insurance, there is a field of valuation. And everywhere where this valuation aspect is there, law is there, need of lawyers is there, lot of litigation is there. So, in short, I want to tell you there is a tremendous scope of litigation in most of the government departments. Most of the appellates cannot run by valuers, cannot run without lawyers. So it's a team, and majority of the scope, either our decision like valuers or service provider, in the beginning or till the end, somewhere, somehow, lawyers are related. So my best wishes to all of the, upcoming lawyers community, that there is vast field and our future is very, very bright in our country.
Thank you, Mr. Arora.